How to turn off activity status on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to stop others from seeing when you've been active on Android or computer. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device and tap your profile icon at the top left corner. From there, tap the gear icon at the top right to open settings. After that, scroll down until you reach the privacy controls section. This is where most of your visibility and activity settings are grouped together. At this point, tap on Activity Indicator to open that specific setting. From there, you'll see a toggle. Go ahead and tap it to turn it off. Following this, once the toggle goes gray, the feature is fully disabled, and other users will no longer be able to see whether you've been recently active on Snapchat. From here, this is especially useful if you want to browse through chats and stories without letting others know you're online. After that, keep in mind that turning this off also means you won't be able to see other people's activity status either. It works both ways. Finally, if you ever want to turn it back on, just head back into the same settings menu and toggle Activity Indicator back on from the same spot. That's how you disable activity status on Snapchat. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.